Welcome to Fisiolution, your go-to channel for physical therapy, health, and wellness. In today's video, I will be sharing a valuable routine that focuses on enhancing the strength of your hips. You can prevent injuries and improve your balance in just 4 to 6 weeks if you follow my advice. Let's get started. To prepare the area before exercising, we'll do a self-massage with a massage cream. Physio Cream Gelative. Let's get to it. Bam! We plan on releasing the affected region and applying a gentle massage with a trusted cream. Listen up, everyone. Let's administer a couple of shots exactly as I instruct. Our task is to create a circle using our hand. That's what we need to do. Exactly. Touch the hip gently. Apply Physio Cream Gelative with a gentle massage all over the hip for 3 to 5 minutes. This prepares and relaxes muscles and ligaments before exercising. Let's begin with the initial workout. It's important to note that these exercises are based on scientific evidence and research, demonstrating their effectiveness. So, let's engage in them regularly to maintain the strength of our hips. Let's lie back. We will position our feet raised to the level of our hips with flexed knees. We are about to perform the exercise called glute bridge. The hands play a stabilizing role. We will be performing contractions for a duration of 10 to 20 seconds. Make sure to include at least 4 contractions within your daily exercise routine. Lift the glute, 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 glute for optimal results. Now, our objective is to align the shoulder, hip, and knee in such a way that they form a straight line, shall we? While you are with us, remember to engage your core, tighten your glutes, and maintain a constant breathing rhythm. When the time of 10 to 15 seconds has elapsed, begin to lower down gradually with a slow and controlled movement. It is important to maintain a slow and controlled pace throughout the descent. Research published in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy discovered that the glute bridge effectively engages and activates the gluteal muscles in a significant manner. Hip stability is crucial and aids in preventing injuries to the knee and lower back, making it essential for overall well-being. For our next workout, let's try the Bulgarian squat. To perform this exercise, we will need a chair and something soft to cushion our foot's anchor. It is important to pay close attention to your position while doing this exercise. We will position ourselves roughly at a distance of approximately 2 feet from the chair. Ensure that your foot is securely planted. Place your hands on your hips. All right? Now we will gradually descend, creating an intentional slowdown. Tension in the right hip area. It is extremely important to work on one hip first and then the other to start strengthening the hip and achieving balance. We can basically do 3 sets of 10 or 3 sets of 15. According to the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, the Bulgarian squat activates the glutes, quads, adductors, and hip stabilizers, providing a comprehensive workout for these muscle groups. It published a study concluding that Bulgarian squats are effective for improving hip strength and stability. For our next activity, let's try the monster walk exercise. To perform this exercise, we will need a resistance band. Start by placing the band between your feet. Begin the exercise by counting 1, 2. Get hold of it using your hands. Let's proceed to go across the groups of people. Okay? On either side. With a slight bend in the elbows at a 90-degree angle, we will create tension. Take note of this. Now let us flex our knees just a little. We will elevate the hyperlordosis and proceed at an exceedingly sluggish pace. Exceedingly sluggish. That's it. Lower and hold the position. A few steps to the right, then to the left. That is all. It is right there, frequently in a partially seated stance, as if perched in midair. We should proceed. It is crucial to refrain from quickly shifting your feet. The Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy states it. Work on adductors, gluteus medius, and gluteus maximus. The monster walk is a highly effective exercise that activates the gluteus medius, an important muscle responsible for stabilizing the hips during various activities such as walking, running, and jumping. For the fourth exercise, the chosen movement is the deadlift. Perform 3 sets of 10 or 15 repetitions. The setup for this exercise is very simple and straightforward. You can wrap anything you want, like a broomstick, a Tetra Pak of milk, rice, or whatever. We'll just use a bit of tape to secure it, and we will position a box on which to place the deadlift, making the exercise considerably easier instead of having it on the floor. We shall stand with our legs aligned against the box. Now, we are going to flex our knees while maintaining the natural curve of our lower back. Slowly, we begin to descend. It is crucial to keep our gaze ahead. We lower our bodies, tighten our grip, and remember, every detail matters. We bind it tightly to our lower limbs. Gradually, we rise, endlessly deliberate, ensuring the bar stays close to our legs. Afterward, we forcefully drive our hips forward at the conclusion. To reverse the motion, we descend gradually, continuously sliding downward. Our eyes focus ahead, continuously fixated on the future. We gently lay it onto the surface, unwind and unwind, letting go of any tension. And that counts as one repetition. You need to do it between 10 and 15 times. There are scientific studies that have demonstrated that deadlifts are a crucial exercise when it comes to enhancing the strength of the muscles in the posterior chain, such as those in the hips. This improves general strength and stabilizes the torso and legs. For the fifth task, all you have to do is to lay down on your side. It's a straightforward exercise. Let's maintain our legs' lateral position carefully while stretching, and remember to bend the bottom leg to ensure stability. Keep focus and balance. Now, while keeping our position still, let's shift the leg sideways and upwards towards the ceiling as far as possible, without leaning forward or backward. This hand can be positioned here to provide support. We will perform this exercise in 3 sets consisting of 10 to 15 repetitions each. Keep in mind that it is crucial to lift as high as your hip allows and lower gently. According to a study in the Journal of Sport Science and Medicine, researchers have found that lateral leg raises are highly effective at engaging the muscles of the hip abductors. Stabilizing the pelvis and preventing injuries is crucial and indispensable for overall well-being and injury prevention. Finally, I sought the answer from Noelia and the rest of you. Where exactly can I purchase Physiocren Galactis? Is it available at your local pharmacy, or can I acquire it through the link provided in the description? Please remember to keep following this routine in mind. Engage in this routine for 4 to 6 weeks to witness the positive effects we aim for in injury prevention. Moreover, this exercise can also boost your performance in sports. As we always say endlessly, to healing and beyond. Farewell, 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 farewell.